Look at no. So we have to define the potential. So what is the best thing we can start here? No. I will 0 volt. I'll call this. This will be x plus 10. Let this be x. You can use any method. Huh? Don't think that what teacher did only like that only you get answer. Nothing. I took help of battery and this is 0 volt. This is a wire, no? This is 0 volt. So therefore, this should be 20 volt. Through batteries, I just told. So you can do one thing. So no sir, I'll write it as this is x. This y should be x. There's a common y, no? Potential should be same. There's the common y, 0 volt, 0 volt. So you can start from here, 20. So if you write here x, then you should write 20 plus x. Then you write here y. But you should write y. So then if you write y here, this is 20, no? Potential difference should be 20 volt. Then what you should write here now? Y minus 20. Anything, you try any alternative, you'll get the same answer. Charge of I think only x is unknown, no? See, again, see, when you're defining potential, you have to see that the unknown potential should also be minimum. That's why I put. So some students, what they do is like, they'll assume here y. Okay, no, you'll get answer, but you have to write more equations. So then I wanted to minimize the equation. Therefore, I brought only one unknown x. So even when you define potentials, you should define in such a way that the unknown potential should be minimum. So you can also do one thing. Sir, how come 0? Then you do one thing, write y. Then there should be 20 plus y. 20 plus y. Then there should be how much here? Like a 20 plus y. So so here you come for this one. This is over. Then this should be some you have to define. You can write 10. You write 0, 0, 0. Solve it. Okay, now only one junction is there. At LO junction or node. Then 4 into x plus 20 minus 20 plus 4 into x plus 20 minus 0. Then next, this will be 4 into x minus 0. Two into x plus 10 minus 0 equal to 0. Only unknown thing is x. Solve for x, you'll get the required answer.
Minus 50 by 7.
Minus 50 by 7.
Minus 50 by 7. Okay, once you get x, it'll be very easy, you know. So even the defining potentials also, you can use some method where the number of unknowns will get minimized here. So I could have defined this 0. If you define this is 0, then this will become some y. Are you getting, no? Number of unknowns will increase. This is the method. So like now you do one thing. Say best thing. See, you learn only by what? By experiment.